Hi guys, for today's video, I will teach you how to make a thumbnail using your very own smartphones in a fast and easy way. Thumbnails plays a very important role because if you have an attractive or an eye-catchy thumbnail covering your videos, for sure you'll get more attention from the viewers. For beginners, you may find it difficult making one, so I'll show you the application I use in creating a YouTube thumbnail. The first application that I will use is Pinterest. This is the best app where you can find thousands of beautiful designs and backgrounds that are very useful for your YouTube thumbnail. If you already has the app, open it in your mobile phone.
Audio Jungle.
Then, click the search button and type what you're looking for. For the third step, keep browsing until you choose your desired designs or background. Lastly, click the three-dot icon, then click Download Image. It will automatically save in your phone's gallery. Now, I will open our main app, which is Polish. This app has everything you'll need to create a YouTube thumbnail. First thing to do, click Photo, and you'll be redirected to your phone's gallery. Then, choose the photo you desired.
Audio Jungle.
After that, click the text to type caption. This app has lots of beautiful fonts that you can choose. Plus, the good thing is that you'll just need to watch a small advertisement and you'll be able to unlock other fonts designs.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
It also has lots of pay font colors to choose. It also provides label to highlight the text. You can also apply border.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Now, let's click sticker and tap the gallery icon and choose the image you want.
Audio Jungle.
You can resize the text and images the way you wanted. For additional tips, be creative on choosing colors and text font designs in your thumbnail to become visually attractive. The second one is that make sure you click sticker when having image so that you'll be able to move the image freely.
Audio Jungle.
You know what, guys? What I like the most about this app is that it has an AI function which make your photo cut automatically. Just simply click the AI icon. For beginners, it may be difficult to cut out the photo. Thanks for this app for making it easier and hassle-free. After the photo has been cut out, tap the check icon and your photo will be saved in sticker section. Since the cutout photo has been saved in sticker section, you can freely resize it. Afterwards, you can freely arrange all the contacts in your desired position. Now it's done. We already have a YouTube thumbnail. Just click save and it will automatically save in your phone's gallery. That's all, guys. I hope you enjoyed and learned from this video. Thank you for watching.